Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening Google Images and getting your image ready. On desktop, go to Images. Google.com. On mobile, open the Google app and tap the camera. Make sure the image is accessible, saved to your device, copied to the clipboard, or hosted online with a URL. This matters because the input method changes the next steps. Once open, you're ready to upload, paste, or paste a link. Let's proceed immediately to input the image so Google can analyze it. Now you'll submit the image to Google. On desktop, drag the file into the search window or click the camera icon and choose Upload. If you have a URL, paste it under the Paste Image URL tab. On mobile, pick Upload or select the photo from your gallery inside the Google app. If transferring files is slow, copy to clipboard and paste or share the image link instead. This step converts pixels to searchable data, so be precise with the file you send. Finally, interpret the results and refine your search. Look at visually similar images, exact matches, and web pages that host the image to identify sources or context. If results are noisy, crop the image or add keywords to narrow focus. Uploading a higher resolution or different angle photo often improves matches. If nothing appears, clear your cache, retry the upload, or use another browser or device. These fixes resolve format and permission issues. That one troubleshooting tip usually gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.